आय लीग सकयल देंवन ISLाक टॉप सुवात दिवपाच्या प्लानाक विरोध म्हूण साळगांवकार स्पोर्टिंग क्लब आनी देंपो स्पोर्ट्स क्लब बंद करपाचो विचार करता. पूण फिफान AIFFाक ह्या क्लबांचो फुडार सांबाळचो म्हूण शिटकावणी दिल्या. फिफाचो अध्यक्ष जियोनी इन्फांतिनो उलयला. अंडर 17 वर्ल्ड कपाच्या लोगोचे उक्तावण जातकीच इन्फांतिनो मिडिया कडेन उलयलो.
It is work in progress. It is work in progress. It is important that football in India develops. The I-League is the official Indian league, of course. The Indian Super League has had some considerable success as well. But it's important that this is going to progress. There are talks, there are discussions, and I'm sure in a country which is famous for taking compromises when it is necessary, some good compromises will be found between the promotion of football, but also the protection, of course, of legacy clubs, historic clubs. We need to balance, and the All India Football Federation will have to balance all the interests and then take the right decisions. And whatever FIFA can contribute and help, of course, will be there. But I have full trust in President Patel.
In our own presentation to FIFA, spelled out all the issues, both pros and cons, and the difficulties, and the issues which need to be addressed before any finality on this can be taken. So, there has been a lot of talk that it's happening tomorrow, it's happening in a particular way, somebody's affected, somebody's not. In fact, I did on my own suo moto raise this issue that legacy clubs in India have a great history, they have a great contribution to Indian football. So we should not be doing something which hurts their interests also. I think that is what exactly we spelled it out. And therefore, as the President rightly said, it is work in progress. We should not be coming to conclusions, and nobody needs to feel threatened at this stage about his club's existence or the future roadmap for Indian football. We are committed to taking everybody along, and we will do it, even if it's a little slowly, but we will do it surely.
ISLच्या तिसऱ्या सिजना खातीर FC गोवाची सामकी नेटान प्रॅक्टीस चल्ल्या. ब्राझिलांत 3 सप्तकाची ट्रेनिंग करून मंगळारा सावन FC गोवान गोंयांत प्रॅक्टीस सुरू केली. मंगळारा नागवा ग्राउंडार FC गोवाच्या टिमीची प्रॅक्टीस मॅच जाली. नवो स्ट्रायकर रॉबिन सिंग कोच जिकोच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाला नेटान प्रॅक्टीसेक लागला.
Yes, I'm definitely excited about the new season of ISL with FC Goa. I'm definitely looking forward to it and score some goals. I've always wanted to be champion and I've always wanted to play in Goa. And yes, FC Goa did knock out Delhi, but they were so close to winning the champion last season that it also helped me make the decision that I wanted to go to FC Goa and challenge myself to new beginnings and hopefully become champions with FC Goa this year. And whereas Delhi is concerned last year, past is past. I'm here for the future and the present. I think yes, as a footballer you have your ups and downs. My down, as you could call it, was this injury. I was playing well, I was confident, and goals are coming my way. But I take it on my chin and I move forward. Next season is here now, and I want to start scoring again. Probably you could say that I want to start where I left off, scoring goals. It's definitely an honor playing for Zico this season, and I'm looking forward to the season ahead with the boys. And it's also going to be a learning curve for me under Zico this time, and I'm just looking forward to it. And I just want to play well, be happy, score goals, and make FC Goa champion in all my capabilities.
केंद्रीय खेळा मंत्री विजय गोयल सुधारित नेहरू स्टेडियमाचेर 37वेत मंगळारा दनपारां गोयलांत फातोड्ड्या वचून स्टेडियमाच्या कामाची पळोवणी केली. ताचे बरोबर गोंयचो खेळा मंत्री रमेश तवडकारूय आशिल्लो. देशभर खेळां सुविधा सुधारपाचो गोयलाचो प्लान. थोड्या दिसां भितर ताणें नवी दिल्ली राष्ट्रीय खेळां संघटनाची मिटींग आपयल्या.
I come here to see the arrangements of the BRICS football tournament from 5th October to 15th October. India is going to host an outstanding summit of BRICS nations, which includes Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Of course, the Goa government has strengthened the infrastructure here for this tournament, and we are also planning for our infrastructure under Sports Authority of India to renovate them and to strengthen them. Districts football can be effective in promoting sustainable sports development. On 29th of September, we are going to hold this federation meeting in New Delhi. To have their views. Soon our ministry will launch a portal, Sports Talent Search Portal, so that anyone, any player, their parents, their teachers can upload the performance and achievement of any of the player from the age of 8.
म्हापशा एका आदवोगादाचेर एका अनवळखी मनशान इंजी सावांचें सिरिंज घेवन हल्लो केलो. आदवोगाद ज्ञानेश्वर कोळमुटकाराच्या ऑफिसांत सकाळीं सुमार 9:30 हो हल्लो जाला. हल्ल्यांत जखमी जाल्ल्या आदवोगाद कोळमुटकाराक जीएमसीत एडमीट केला. म्हापशा पुलीस स्टेशनार कंप्लेन जाल्या. पुलिसांनी ऑफिसांत येवन फिंगरप्रिंट्स व्हेल्यात. एकोणपन्नासावे राज्य एथलेटिक्स सर्तीचे वस्तादपण आरसीसी कंपाल पंगडान जोडले. आरसीसी फातोड्ड्या वस्ताद सर्त म्हापशा पेडे खेळा संकुलांत जाली.
गोवा एथलेटिक असोसिएशन या टीमचा कोच असलो एथलीट्स फॉर द स्टेट चॅम्पियनशिप अँड मी यू
खबरां तित्रां हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudent media.in वेबसायटीचेरूय लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. नमस्कार.